Yo, welcome to FUYOS. If you're a dancer or you just started your dance journey, stop making these 5 mistakes. Fix them and you will improve much faster. Mistake number 1, trying to dance too fast. Some beginners often rush to dance at full speed. Where are you rushing to? Russia?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Calm down, slow the music down. Learn the movements correctly, then build your speed. What's clear? Mistake number 2, skipping the basics. Everyone wants to learn the latest viral dance, the latest trendy dance, but strong foundation matters. Imagine building a house without the foundation. What do you think will happen? Yes? Thank God say you know. So master the timing, the reading, the balance, and body control first. Oti clear. Oti sharp.
Continue.
Mistake number 3, not practicing consistently. There is power in consistency, showing up every day. Consistency is marked by regularity, steady continuity, showing conformity to a specific activity. If you don't understand me, it's a pity. Even 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice every day will help you improve much faster. And this is not just about dance. Anything you find yourself doing, learning a skill, building a business, starting up content creation, anything at all, the role of consistency cannot be overemphasized. Oti clear, Oti sharp. Number 4, comparing yourself to experienced and popular dancers. For the sake of your health and your peace of mind, avoid comparison. Oh, I wish I can dance like Indian Grand. Oh, Popo Speedy has millions of followers and only have 10. You want to compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10 in it? No worry. Now, don't get me wrong. It is nice to admire and aspire. But if you compare, you will retire. And even expire. What's it clear?
Continue.
Focus on becoming better than you were yesterday. Focus on improving yourself daily. So if you remain consistent actually, and you don't look down on yourself today, you'll become someone people will look up to tomorrow. Oti sharp. Mistake number 5, never recording yourself. Your phone is one of your best coaches. Record yourself, watch it again and again. Then you can easily spot your mistakes and make corrections. Then keep improving. Oti clear, Oti sharp. Alright, now let us know in the comment section, which of these mistakes are you still making? Now, remember, every professional dancer you can think about was once a beginner. Keep moving, keep improving. See you on the next one. Remember, I am Uncle Sammy and FUYOS is always here for you.